Dear students, welcome to today's SST class. We shall continue the chapter They Showed Us the Path. In this chapter, we have been going through the freedom fighters of our country. Let's begin. Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi has been the greatest leader of India in the modern times. He is known as the father of the nation. He was born on October 2nd, 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. His full name was Mohan Chand Karamchand Gandhi. His father was the Diwan in the state of Rajkot in Kathiawar. His mother was a very simple religious lady. She taught him all the good habits, especially to speak the truth. Gandhiji was married when he was 13 years old. After passing his matric, he went to England to study law and he became a barrister at law and returned to India. After reaching India, he started practice as a lawyer in Mumbai. But after some time, he went to Africa and started practicing law there. He took up the cause of the Indians there and fought for their rights. He became very popular in South Africa as well as in India. Coming back to India, Gandhiji joined the Indian National Congress. He took the lead of the Congress and fought for India's freedom. He was sent to jail several times but never took to violence. Mahatma Gandhi started the civil disobedience movement. It went on till 1929. The then Viceroy, Lord Irwin, was forced to sign the pact with Gandhiji. It is known as Gandhi-Irwin Pact. In 1942, Gandhiji started the Quit India movement. He was arrested along with other leaders, but he was released on grounds of health. At last, his efforts won freedom in 1947. Mahatma Gandhi led his life as a saint. He practiced and preached the principle of non-violence. He was a great reformer. He was a social reformer. He was against caste system and untouchability. He worked for the downtrodden classes and lived among them. He worked for Hindu-Muslim unity. Gandhiji died on January 30th, 1948. He was shot dead in Delhi when he was at his prayers. Now let's move on to see about the great leadership and lifestyle of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on October 31st, 1875 at Nadiad, Gujarat. He was popularly known as Iron Man of India. Because of his financial reasons, he could not join any school of law, so he studied at home and passed the law exam with flying colors. He was inspired by the work and philosophy of Gandhiji. Patel decided to join the freedom struggle. His first attempt was to fight for the cause of peasants in Khera, Bardoli, and other parts of Gujarat who were asked to pay heavy taxes to the British government. Patel, under the leadership of Gandhiji, launched non-violent civil disobedience movement against the payment of raised taxes. The government tried to suppress the revolt but unfortunately could not do so. Finally, the taxes were suspended and thereafter everyone addressed Patel as Sardar. Further, he also associated himself with the Salt Satyagraha and Quit India movement. He also opposed alcoholism, untouchability, caste discrimination and violence. In 1931, he was elected the president of Indian National Congress. Before independence, 565 princely states were under British control. The British government, while transferring the power, had given a choice to the princely states to join either India or Pakistan. Some of these states wanted to remain independent. At the time, Sardar Patel was the first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister. And because of his hard work and with his great abilities, he convinced and merged the states into Union of India. Most of the states joined in India. Sardar Patel undertook several measures to uphold the greatness of India. He died in Mumbai in December 1950. He was thus one of the chief architects and guardians of the India's freedom, and his contribution towards consolidating the freedom of the country remains unrivaled. So that's all for today.